I'm going to use one of my notebooks as an example today. You can already see I've got quite a few sources, but our first feature is, what do we want to discover sources? What do we want to search for sources within the app itself? So you can do this now. So you have this discover feature here, and we can click discover sources. So what you're able to do is two things. One, it's probably the smarter option. You can actually talk about what you want to search for. So in this case, my notebook is on AI agents. So I want to find out more about AI agents. If you want to go rogue, you can hit I'm feeling curious. It will work off the contents of your notebook, but I found it so-so in terms of the quality of the results. So what we can say here is that, let's explore AI agents in today's workforce and see what it comes back with. So we can see here it's searching, and then very quickly we've got a bunch of results that have returned here. Some of it pretty useful. So we've got some stuff here around agentic AI from PwC. We've got different types of AI agents. We've got all of these different sources, which is pretty good actually. I'm just going to untick these, and I'm going to add two. So I'm going to add this PwC one, and I'm also going to add this one from Workday. So let me just import those, and then you can see they are now part of the research that I've got there, which is awesome. That may have been something that I couldn't find on my own if I was just going around. Maybe it would have come to my contact, but who knows? So that's your first thing. Don't sleep on the discover feature, because as you can see here, maybe you will find something useful.